Hi, my name is Sharon Jimenez and I'm a real Alert1 customer. I just received my new Alert1 medical alert system. The folks at Alert1 asked me if I would show you how to install it. So here we go. First I plug it in. The green power light is on. So far, so good. Insert the included phone cord into the outlet on the back of the unit. Next, I plug the other end of the cord into the wall phone outlet. Now I plug my home phone cord into the other jack on the back of the unit. Well, that was easy. To test your system, just push the emergency button.
Hello, this is Jim from Alert1. Mrs. Jimenez, do you need help?
And that's it. I hope you enjoy your Alert1 medical alert system. I know I feel safer already.